What's up, friends? Welcome to Explore Movement Project. I'm Jen. Today we're focusing on a movement routine to help us feel glowing. Hi everyone, glad you're here moving with me today. We're going to begin standing. So take your feet out, kind of hip width apart, and tick your hips side to side. You can soften your gaze if you'd like, or keep your eyes wide open. Maybe you've put on some fun music for yourself today for movement glow. Who knows? This time is your time. And thanks for joining me moving today. I'm so excited to move with you. Let out a few deep sighs. It's usually my go-to. Bend those knees. Okay, find stillness from ticking your hips side to side. And let's take our head and look in each direction, loosening the neck up. And let's do some circles with the neck. Nice and slow, really subtle. I don't go far behind me, I just go a little bit. Because for me, a little bit goes a long way here. Doesn't need to be a ginormous movement to get a stretch up, to feel good or to get in there and get the kink out, whatever. It can be small. Let's rotate the wrists out. Ooh. Those sounds. Get your elbows involved if you feel like it. And let's, I don't know what to call this, but make your arms nice and jiggly. And let them go where they may as you let your torso kind of guide the movement here by spiraling to either side. Really good for your nervous system and just for your body. Let this come to stillness. Take a moment here to just experience what's going on in your body right now. If you're feeling any sensation or energy or tingles, it's all good. We're going to go into a wide-legged squat to stretch out our thighs. Let your head relax here. Shake it from side to side. And slowly roll it up. Feel your feet firmly planted on the earth. Maybe you explore what it feels like to feel each part of the foot on the floor. You can kind of rotate your feet a little bit, move them around. Let's take a few deep breaths in before we begin our movement glow routine. Sigh it out. times for you, so let everything else just go. And our next inhale, bring our hands to our heart, and we're going to say this mantra. I am light, I am glowing, I glow. I am light, I am glowing, I glow. You can say that internally in your head or externally, or with a friend, whoever you're practicing with today. Take a deep inhale in, let it out. I am light, I am glowing, I glow. I feel like warm and fuzzy inside. What comes up for you? One more inhale in. Shake it out. Shake it out. All right, we're gonna get into our routine. So let's teach y'all what this is. So we're gonna start by stepping our toe out. Okay, either foot. I'm doing my right foot. 1, step out, 2 on the left foot. Bring it back in. So 1, 2. We're gonna take our hand, kind of gently smack our right thigh and drag it up the body. So that's 3, 4. Okay, let's try that together again. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna do it again on the other side. 5, 6. Okay, so 1, 2. Arm drags 3, up, 4. Other arm, 5 and 6. Then we're gonna flat back, 7, 8. Okay, so we're flat back, 7, 8. Then on 1, we're gonna scoop up. Let's just scoop the energy up. So 1, stand up, 2. Arms come to your shoulders. 3. 3. Actually, I think it's 3, 4. You know what? Let's forget counts for right now because I always mess it up. Our elbows come in. They don't need to touch anything. Go out. Then we pull our arms back for a nice heart opening stretch. And then we're back at 1 to do it all over again. So let's do that again. We'll go slow. We're still learning. It seems I'm still learning too. Okay, let's begin. 1, 2, arm 3, 4. Flat back. Scoop it up. And then we're back at 1. And I didn't walk you through any of the last bits, so maybe, hopefully you were watching the video. But watch the video as we do this because I want to make sure you're getting the moves. So let's start again. So we go 1, toes out, 2, smack, 3, up, 4, other side, 5 and 6, flat back, 7, 8. We scoop up the energy, 1, up, 2, down, 3, 4, hands on shoulders. We take our elbows in, 5, 6, and we stretch out, 7, 8. And then we're just right back at the beginning. Isn't that wonderful? How are we feeling? Let's do it a few more times to make it feel good in your bodies, and then we can just do the routine a few times as well to just really find what's coming up for us and what we like. All right. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. We go 1, 2, arm, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat back, 7, 8, scoop up the energy. 1, 2, down, 3, 4, elbows, 5, 6, chest opener, 7, 8. Oh yeah. Okay, let's do it again. 3, 2, 1, toes out. 2, 3, 4, arm, 5, 6, flat back, 7, 8, scoop up the energy. 1, 2, elbows, 3, 4, 5, 6, chest opener, 7, 8. And we're back at 1. Ooh, okay, it's feeling better. I'm gonna go to the side this time just so you can see what it looks like. This way. Let's go. 1, 2, smack, 3, 4, arm, 5, 6, flat back, 7, 8, scoop up the energy. 1, 2, arms down, 3, 4, elbows, 5, 6, chest opener, 7, 8, back at 1. So you can kind of like melt into each movement. Just find those places where you can melt more, have contact with your body. Don't be afraid to, don't hurt yourself, but, don't be afraid to have contact and to find what works for you and to, go slow and find those pauses and that juiciness, of the movements. Okay, let's go again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, arms, 3, 4, 6, flat back. Scoop up. Arms, elbows, chest. Back at 1. Smack. 7, 8, flat back, scoop it up. Down, elbows, chest. Let's take a moment of stillness here. Try not to fix your hair or do anything. Just what's your breathing like? What's the energy like in your body? Are you thinking about the mantra at all as we're moving? Yeah, what's coming up for you? Okay, let's go again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, down, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat back, 7, 8, scoop up. 1, 2, arms, 4, elbows, 5, 6, and chest over there. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. See how much you can really drag up all the way. Flat back. Scoop up. Arms, elbows, chest over. Let's do it again and see what comes up for us this time. If you can really, continue to melt into the movement, continue to just make it one big expression for yourself. Or maybe you need to make the movements a little bit smaller, and that's okay too. You can make them big or small, whatever you're feeling. Let's do it 3 more times together. 5, 6, I'll turn to the side. 7, 8, we go. 1, 2, arms, 3, 4, up, 5, 6, 5, 7, 8. We scoop it up. 1, 2, down, 3, 4, elbows, 5, 6, chest opener, 7, 8, 2, back to 1, 1, 2, up, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat back, 7, 8, scoop it up, 1, 2, 3, 4, elbows, 5, 6, chest opener, 7, 8, let's do it one more time all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat back, 7, 8, bend your knees, scoop it up, 1, 2, 3, 4, elbows, 5, 6, chest opener, 7, 8, and let's all stay in the chest opener position. Just feel yourself glowing, glowing, glowing. You're powerful. And let it go. This means stillness. Take a deep breath in. Feel everything expanding. Find any last movements you want to do before we meet in child's pose. If you're ready, come to a child's pose that works for you and your body, whether it's wide-legged or closer together, or if you have a block, or even your fists can be a great support. Let's all just hang on out here. Take this time to just be in your own cocoon here. Let's end this practice today by finding our arms, giving ourselves a hug, wrapping them around ourselves. Thanks for joining me today in this movement practice. You're glowing, and I'll see you next time.